Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is Arena Teaching Center. I'll teach you how to write, format and edit. So today we want to focus on how to get your recipe from Pinterest. Though I've been announcing it in some of the videos, but some people still find it really hard to get their recipe. So I want to show you how to get your recipe for Pinterest, so that whenever you want to start getting recipe, you know that this is the right video for it. Do you understand? So when you go to Pinterest, you see this red P app, this particular app. So when you get to Pinterest, you will see a lot of things. So if you have not registered, you have to go to your Play Store and download Pinterest and register. The process of registration, they will ask you some certain questions, like you picking a niche of where you want to focus on. All these things that you are seeing, they are the things that I picked on where I want to focus on. After you have registered, you go to your search bar and search on any recipe aspect. Remember, I told you Pinterest is very deep. You can come here and learn anything you want to learn from Pinterest. Content, formatting, designing, and everything you can learn from this Pinterest. But today we are focusing on how to get a recipe. So let's just say we want to get a recipe for Mediterranean diet, for instance, Mediterranean diet recipe. So when you search for Mediterranean diet recipe, you are going to be seeing pictures, and you'll be kind of confused, because I see that this is one of the reasons why many people are confused if they can actually use this Pinterest, because they are actually not seeing the list of recipe, but all they see is the picture. So when you get here, you see anyone that actually capture you have to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open. Sometimes I specifically search my recipe based on reviews and likes. Okay, this one I have 9 like. Are you getting it? So I'm going to search for the site, and when searching, kindly watch out the dates ahead. This particular one, it may be from ChatGPT. I told you normally that I don't like using ChatGPT. So when searching, this one, no need. You already know that once you say incorporating, you know that this is ChatGPT. So how to actually get a very science fact based recipe. So I have people where I focus on, and I just saw one right now, Mediterranean diet. The areas of people that I focus on is, number one is Miracle Lane or Eating Well. So let's check Eating Well. Eating Well is a well brand. Like if you search for their book on Amazon, you are going to see them. They are brand, okay, and they are into culinary. So anything they are doing, they are science facts. Their recipes are dietitian and prescription, nutritionist and all that. So you search for it and see what they wrote about it. And there are also good brands there as well. Or you can go to other websites on Google, search for recipe, and you see a lot of websites but this Pinterest is kind of good. You see now, we have this one, February 17, 2022. This one is actually a Mediterranean recipe, because ChatGPT was invented by November 2022. So when you are checking it, you see it properly. And when you are looking at the picture, you know that this one is not an AI picture. Then AI has not even come aboard. So you can actually search your recipe from Eating Well. How do you now get this recipe? If you are using a laptop, it will be very easy for you just to copy the entire content. Do you understand? You copy the entire content, or you copy it. It's either you copy it bit by bit, or you long press it and start copying just like this. By the time you are done, copy to the end of the page, you take it to ChatGPT. And so let me pause at number 2. While copying, you should just be careful. For instance, so you go straight to your chat. Either you are using ChatGPT or DeepSync, and my next video is how to navigate through DeepSync, because lately I've been using DeepSync, and I can tell you DeepSync is one of the best as well, like ChatGPT. So I can just say that you should just rewrite the recipes. Must be careful when using this DeepSync. I have to stop it. It's not like ChatGPT. So let me say rewrite the recipe so it's so when I say rewrite the recipe, it's just gonna like list out the recipe for me. Okay. All right, so this is the recipe. Now I didn't like copy the entire content from Eating Well. Do you understand? And this is why deep sync is too much. I didn't like copy the entire content, but for what content. So as you can see, is as I made a request that it should rewrite the recipes. So now it has rewritten the entire recipes gotten from Eating Well blog post. So this is how you get your recipe from Pinterest. All right, if you find this video very helpful, can you subscribe to my channel, like and share for more videos to come in the future. All right, so deep sync have given us all the entire recipe that we need. As you can see, these are all the recipe gotten from Eating World site. So this is the very easiest way for you to get a factual recipe, looking at the time of publication, looking at the reviews, and looking at the likes and all that. So you know that whatever recipe that you are working on, you know is factual. Do you understand? You know is factual. So all right, this is the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this teaching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos to come in the future. Thank you.